I often share with people one of the reasons you have to have a job is because your money's unemployed. You've been spending your whole life working hard for money. Now it's time for you to learn how to get your money working for you. There's an up-and-coming challenge called the Unlock the Stock Market Challenge. One of my dearest friends and one of the most brilliant business people I know launched a company called TRADEway. And TRADEway has the Unlock the Stock Market Challenge coming up very soon. You can get registered today. Dave Huber and Blair Nightingale, two of the most brilliant young stock traders and stock market teachers I know, are going to be teaching the challenge. It's only a $97 investment for general admission, only a $197 investment for VIP. You're going to learn to master pivots, picks, probabilities, and your person. Pivots, when the market shifts, how to pick what stocks, probabilities, what's it likely to do, because nobody can know what it's going to do. And then you have to get self-mastery, mastery over your person. When you learn these 4 moves, you can be on your way to becoming a successful stock trader. If you're serious about getting your money to work for you and learning how to use the stock market to leverage your money and to turn it into more money, you definitely want to join Unlock the Stock Market Challenge. We'll see you soon.